Welcome, here I've got ASUS ROG Phone 5 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. By tapping on it we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the other category, and here at the third position we have horizontal level option, so this is our leveler. By using the button from the right we can turn it on and turn it off like that as we need. And now let me keep this turned on. Let's move back to the camera preview. And here at the center it appears. This is useful when we want to keep our camera steady and keep our photographic topic straight at the picture. And this is how to use this. Of course, when we don't need it, we can go back to the left corner, slide down again to the other category and use this button to turn it off. So for now in the preview, the leveler has gone. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.